So what if you don't have a home inspection today? Let's take a look.
You can go to Nachi.tv, go to the home inspection tab, go to home inspection class number 20, and there's a sample report, or home inspection class number 19 or 18 or 17. There's sample reports there, and you can take a look at my sample report. Those are the reports that I typically generated. I would say 95% of them generated at the property, because I'm starting a family. I did not want to work at night. I refused to work at night. When I came home, dad and dinner and wife and, no more work. So that means I had to end my day at 5 o'clock. And that only meant that I had to do all my work during the day. Start at 7, 8, end at 5. That means I have to write my reports with a mobile device. I have to enter all of my information and take all my pictures in video. I did video too, and add all that into my inspection reports and then share them. So when you get really good and fast with a office manager who can help you, then you can get to having 5 o'clock and not work at night. Pretty cool. At the peak of my business, I was doing 4.5 days of work. I only worked 4.5 days. I made a great living, because you go into business not to make a good living. A good living is you find a good job. You go into business to make a great living, lots of money, and that requires you to take on a lot of risks. But you enjoy the rewards of taking on those risks. There's no risk in having a good job, so you get paid well, good money. But you're in business to make a great living and take on all the risks that it entails. And so to generate a lot of business so that there's a reduction in the risk, it's all about marketing. You have to always think about marketing, always working on marketing. If you don't have an inspection tomorrow, I would, a lot of Fridays, I wouldn't get an inspection. I don't know. In my area, not a lot of people did Friday inspections. I don't know why. So Fridays were low days, but I dressed up, I went out, I went to the office. It's great when you rent an office away from home. So I rent an office. Let's say it's in your basement. You go downstairs dressed like a home inspector, and you go into your office and you work. If you're not doing an inspection, you're working a full day on what? Marketing.
There's always time for marketing. So if you don't have a home inspection scheduled today, work on your business. Marketing.